Good morning everyone. So I'm vlogging today because we're actually going to Bird's Paradise, which is the new bird park at Mandai. I'm actually so excited. I'm bringing Hafiz there for his belated birthday celebration and also our 6th year. And he doesn't know that we're going there. I told him we're going USS, even though USS is like my favorite place to go, but it's not his like go-to place. So he know that we're going somewhere animal related, but he don't know where yet. He kept saying we're going zoo, right? So I'm excited to surprise him. I'm just waiting for him now, but he's taking forever. He said that his hair is not cooperating. So the funny thing is, I asked him to brought swimming costume. Then like he's like, but USS don't have any swimming places. I'm like, no, there's this new water play, like we can play with water, blah 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 blah. I never even bring anything. Honestly, I'm such a bad planner. I'm like a go with the flow kind of person, so I don't make plans. But I know that there's A&W, the Birds of Paradise, the ice cream place, which I am so excited about. I love Birds of Paradise. And then yeah, I also know that there's a lot of places to explore. I never even like look up like where to go or anything or any tips or tricks. We're just gonna go with the flow, and I'm so excited because there's like a lot of cool places. So I will usually rush Hafiz down, like call him and everything, but like since it's his day today, he's gonna get special treatment. I'm not gonna like rush him. He can take all his time. It's just that I have to reach there before 10, I think. I don't know what happens if we're late, but I booked for 10, and there's a lot of discount because it's like their soft opening or something now. Okay, so Hafiz just texted me that he's gonna come down now, but I haven't seen him yet. Also, I've been excited to vlog because I found out a new app to download my videos. So I usually use CapCut, but I found a new app, and yeah, I'm excited to use the app. Going to Vietnam in a few. This is here. Morning, hello. Are you excited?
Yes.
Where are we going today?
Not USS.
We are. I bought chicken. Nah, your sausage muffin. And I got Milo. I don't know why I bought Milo when my tekak is pain.
And I got, this is the new McDonald's cup.
I bought ice latte.
Nice one.
No, you don't usually drink ice latte.
Right. Today we're going to USS. That's not USS. Stop. Oh,
Why do you think we're going animal related thing?
because I like animals.
Okay.
Is it? Hello, walking.
Hopefully it's hot today. I need it to be hot because we're gonna go the water play thing.
Water play.
I tell you to bring your.
And
Oh shit! I didn't tell him why he needs to bring same costume. I forget.
I know, it's a kids' world. Like Singapore Zoo.
Oh, what Singapore Zoo?
Right.
Oh, is that chili on my face? Off to USS. Yay! Can I get some like?
Yay!
Yeah!
Singapore Zoo. Not propose kat I.
Look at this here. Hafiz, don't buka.
Why? I know we are at.
Stop, Hafiz.
Where are we going? Eh, what itu us?
No.
Yes, I know.
Where? Okay, are you ready to open your blindfold?
Yes.
Are you excited?
But is it bright or not?
It's not bright, so don't worry. We are like dalam car park and it's like shaded lah.
Okay, cepat.
Sabar. You want to guess first where we're at?
Sebelah.
Final guesses.
Yalah, not USS lah.
No USS. Okay. So we are at?
I don't know. Dah.
Yeah.
Seram. Kat mana ni? Sunda Pangolin. Macam paradise.
It's
Jurong Bird Park.
It's a bird's paradise.
Yay! Let's go!
Are you excited?
Thank you, sayang.
Welcome.
So I tell you got animal. I knew it.
Wow, did you really bawa baju swimming?
Yeah.
Because that was a prank. You can leave it here. There's no water play. There's only for kids. I also never bring. You're at the correct level to Bird Paradise. Please turn back. This lift is for level 3 car park. Okay.
So yeah, correct.
Where? Ke sana kot. Picture. So nice and bright outside. Apa ni? Tapi macam ada bau something. Look at how terik it is outside.
What's the
Just like Where got swing? Oh, look at that swing. What?
What's a paradise? The sun is
Eh, mana dia? So the first stop is the Penguin Cove. Kena saya tak gila.
Oh, lawa sih tempat ni.
This theater vibes. Oh, I see. What do you think of the rumah?
Kecil.
Kecil?
Tapi besar tempat ni tu.
Kecil tapi besar, okay.
Kecil lah satu. Ni ada tempat multiple swimming.
Oh, kat atas pun boleh tengok dorang lah, Bi.
Ya, dia jalan lah.
Oh, so cute.
Mana yang besar?
Cute sewing dia. No wonder we cannot see them from downstairs.
Dia macam shrivel up.
Tengok tangan dia.
Oh, tengok lagi dia ni. Saya
Tengok tangan dia, Bi.
ada jalan ni.
You're so cute.
Ada sini.
Let's try and go up. Or do you think it's a slide? Oh, mak kau bodoh.
It's a slide.
It's licin. This place is so nice. We let's go there. That place looks so nice. I came prepared about umbrella. We're heading to the Australia Outback.
It's a dinosaur.
Easy.
Yeah. Macam tutup ni.
Welcome to the land of parrots.
Land of parrots.
Hai.
Apa tak? Kalau semua ada banyak.
This is the bird we saw dekat farm kan?
Yes, but it's a small one. It's so sad.
Hey.
Animal mata merah. Ini. Pink ni.
I don't see it. Where is it? Oh, I see it.
Oh, you'll take photo with the parrot?
Go stand down later.
Descendant of the
There's a lot of like place to rest yang ada aircon.
Which is friendly lah.
Yeah. Especially for cranky. Huh? Oh, thank you. And the aircon is sejuk gila tau.
Okay.
Macam masuk je terus peluk hilang. You can put your hand over there, it will light up. Like this for example. Cool. Dia lagi bersihkan diri dia. Oh, there's something behind it. We're at the wetland part.
Lawa.
Look at the flamingo. Oh, I see big birds flying there.
Yeah.
Can you see?
Oh yeah.
I think they're in a cage. Oh, are they in a cage?
But what
Just stop there.
Bising lah.
Kepala orang. Mesti penat eh?
Asal?
Nak kena pergi bawah pergi atas, pergi bawah pergi atas.
Time to move water, time to move.
I feel like we do everything already. We started from here. This was our last stop.
Yeah, let's see if we saw all the animals in it. See? Kita tak gini kan?
Nampak. Tadi ambil gambar apa?
Tak, tu tukan. Tengok, kita tak nampak hawk apa.
We are planning to have drink.
Mini drink.
Yeah. Oh yeah, we only have 30 minutes before we head back to the Sky Amphitheater for the bird show, which is at 12:30. But we're planning to reach there at 12. We're currently at a food court. The aircon's not bad. This is heaven. Wow. Look at the oil on my hand. I need tissue. Look. Berminyak gila.
Berminyak gila?
Yeah, this I terpegang the fish, I think. We are rushing over because semua orang dah masuk.
Mereka dia dah tekan pintu ni.
It's aircon? Tak lah, it's outdoor lah. Wah, the tempat is actually quite big.
Besar bi ni.
I was so scared tak cukup orang. I mean, tak cukup tempat. Besarnya. No, because there was once, right, I pergi zoo. Habis kita tak dapat masuk cause dah cukup tempat. But it wasn't this big, ni besar gila. Dia dalam kandang. Our seat's pretty great. Kita macam duduk tengah-tengah.
In the whole family. Guess what? Begins here. You see what I mean?
Okay, fine.
See, let's welcome them. Did you catch that? He said, "Welcome to Parrot Paradise." Some of you look confused. We're going to do this one more time. Let's welcome them. Okay, we're gonna hear a high-tech sound. Can we do the telephone? How about big hand for Queens, ladies and gentlemen?
Would you like to say hello?
Hello.
Oh, look at that. Okay, introduce yourself. Tell everybody here what's your name.
Amigo.
What's your name?
Amigo.
Amigo. This is Nate. Okay, Amigo. What would you like to say to all these nice people? You're just so sweet. Amigo loves to sing, and his favorite song of the many songs he sings happens to be Happy Birthday. Anyone celebrating your birthday today? For you. Hey, will you stop halfway? I think you choked on something, you know? Like me just have to clear my throat. Okay, let's try this. Ready? And let's go. It's actually a local Chinese song, okay, titled Current Life. It means a guest comes to visit. I just want to welcome you. Okay, let's try this. Okay, birthday. Is the battery weak? Did you touch the battery? No. Let's try this again. Ready? Amigo, right here. Okay. Happy birthday. Amigo, what are you looking at? Happy. Amigo. Ready?
Also, Fruit Loops ambassador. Alright, so Arnold right here is gonna show up something.
The villagers believe that if a hornbill flies over a certain area, celebrate 500!
Very loud, right? Now, Cornelius. Cornelius, yes, there you go. All 5 minutes. Good job, Cornelius. Thank you very much for joining us on this amazing adventure.
Yeah, Bali vibes.
Oh, wow. Apa yang kat sini? Pelikan. Oh, ini. Oh, what a vibe this place. Burung ni mesti ultimate zen. Tak. Yang gerak kan?
Ni yang Osawari
Tak ada.
tak seram aja. Dia tak pergi ke air. You're coming home with us. It's like you beat it inside. It's so cute.
Beige pun ada. Putih pun ada.
So what colour you want? Every Singaporean guy stressed. Don't know what colour Airism to buy. We're looking to buy sock because Hafiz is 40 cents short from getting $5 off. So, where's grey? Dark grey?
Ya. Kira baju dia.
So we're currently at Mamma Mia. We ordered mushroom soup, spicy pink sauce, and then I add turkey bacon. And then Hafiz eat oyster big rice. And we're gonna chalup the garlic bread into the mushroom soup. So that's that. And then ice lemon tea for Hafiz. I diet. This is the mushroom soup.
Macamnya
So
diet.
this is mine. They actually serve a lot of garlic bread.